What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Brand Masika Reaction. So guys, I want us today to watch this video, a collection of video that people say if you hate Jamaica, don't watch this. So these are for the Jamaican lovers only. So Jamaica has it again and has done it again. So remember, if it's your very first time coming across any of my video, remember to like, share, comment, and not forgetting to kindly subscribe. So guys, remember to watch till the end, and I'll be back with more comments. Enjoy.
A video talking about how Jamaicans are the sweetest people in the world, and I recently posted another video talking about I am not ready to leave Jamaica, but I know it's coming for me. And while the whole world is fighting about immigration and attacking people, a lot of you commented stay, 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 and that just validates my point that Jamaicans are the sweetest people. And right now I'm not leaving Jamaica, just telling you. I still have some months left, and I just want to say thank you so much. I'm so happy that I got to live in this country and I got to feel that warmth. Although I don't know all of you, but you made this girl really happy.
One of the things I absolutely love about living in Jamaica, you can pull up on the roadside and ask the guy for a flat of eggs and tell him, I don't have any cash on me right now, but I can bring you the money on Monday. And they give you the flat of egg. So on Monday, I will link him and pay him the money. I do the same thing with my vegetable and fruits lady, Olga. I'll roll up some days and go, Olga, I'm gonna have no money on me right now. Next week I can pay you. Beg you so and so and so and so. And she gives me. I don't think there are that many places in the world you can do that. I love my little Jamaica. We ain't perfect, but there's certain things about us that you're not gonna find nowhere else.
So I'm glad you commented, because so many people have been flooding my comments about this level 3 travel advisory that has been instituted about traveling to Jamaica. When personally, I actually feel safer living in Jamaica than I did in the US. I used to live in the city of Atlanta, Georgia. In Atlanta, if you know Atlanta, the crime is happening there, okay? And when you call the police, they're going to show up when they feel like showing up, which is probably like an hour or two after the crime was committed. Before I even addressed this topic, I wanted to dig deeper and see like what the media was saying. But all of the US media is saying the same thing. So they must be pulling this data all from the same one resource, like, which seems kind of like sketch. But for my recommendations, if you do intend on visiting Jamaica in the near future, stay on the resort if you feel so fearful, or stay in touristy areas. Don't go beyond those touristy areas, and hire a driver. That's it. That's all.
I hate when men ask me, where do I want to go on a date? Because I'm going to say Jamaica. Take me to Jamaica on our first date. And if a day trip to Jamaica is not in your budget, then why are you dating? Better yet, why are you trying to date me?
I really want to move here. I really want to move here in Jamaica. I'm here in Jamaica to sponsor only Jamaica owned and operated business and to help the locals, people that are beautiful. I met extraordinary people, so kind, that are so attractive. I want to show people that Jamaica is a safe place. I had zero problems so far, and I traveled from Montego Bay to Ochorio to Kingston, which is my favorite so far, and now I'm here in Negril. I felt safe 99% of the time.
You know, see, as bad as them say Jamaica is, as a country, them say be a crime and violence in a Jamaica. But you know, say, out of every other tourist country in the world, when the tourists them visit Jamaica, Jamaica show the tourists them the most love out of any other country where them been to. You understand? Jamaican people show the tourists them love, take care of them, guide them and protect them when time they come to Jamaica. Me say, not even 3% of tourists can go back a foreign and say Jamaican treat them bad. Jamaican treat the tourists them good. Because really and truly, even if people run away from their country and come to Jamaica as a refugee, Jamaica treat them good. Come here as a alien, Jamaica treat them good. Jamaica treat every people we come from another country good. Jamaicans even treat them people better than how they treat them one a fellow Jamaican. You understand? So, people in the world, we stop fret and worry and talk about Jamaican we hurt and Jamaican are hurt and Jamaican just hurt them one another. Jamaican are hurt them one another. Jamaican treat tourists good. Jamaican treat foreigners good. Jamaican treat foreigners good. So the rest of the country them, uno stop like Trinidad and Guyana, especially those two. Uno stop come jump up and talk about Jamaica full of crime and violence. And some of the coward Jamaican people them will run away from them place in a Jamaica and Ghana foreign. Migrate Ghana foreign Ghana live. You stop telling foreigner them talk about Jamaica be a crime and violence. You have to watch yourself when you go down there. Because no tourists, me no see no tourists I get hurt. No tourists now get hurt. Tourists come here, clean. Only thing they go back with, I must be mosquito bite. In a real life. And then carry them repellent. In a real life. Hey, mates!
And in general, I was in Africa 1 year, and a lot of my followers tell me, why you don't filming going to luxury places, showing us US, Miami, mall. It's not attract me, man. I have in my country beautiful building. You know how much there is rich people in Israel. You know how much beautiful things I can see there, but it's not authentic for me. It's fake. You will not go in my country and someone will greet you or bring you inside his house to eat something. It will never happen. Right. It will never happen. Here, I can create friends in a second. I can show you, for example, how I can bring 5 friends to be with me right now. It will be very difficult to do it in my country, in Europe, in US. People don't give a fuck on others. They just go like that or in the phone. You know what I mean?
So you appreciate the hospitality?
Yes, the hospitality. It's just different. It's just different. This is what I'm looking for.
Okay.
I'm not looking for the luxury roots or these things.
3 reasons why I have to raise my kids in Jamaica. I'm sitting here, the sun is shining, they're in the swimming pool having the times of their lives, and it just occurred to me that there are certain things that are specific to Jamaica. You get nice weather in lots of places, but here's why I need to make sure that we can make that move here, and sooner rather than later. My kids are currently 4 years old and the clock is ticking, babes. The first thing is that our Jamaican national pride needs to be studied. The way we are just full of pride, bossy, and just think that we can just be the best all the time. Honestly, growing up in that environment where you are Jamaican first just makes you feel this sense of confidence that nobody can test. I grew up thinking that I could be anything, do anything, and move into any kind of space because I was Jamaican. I mean, what do you mean I can't? The second thing I will say is that we truly understand that village mentality. We strangers are not only kind and nurturing, but they are, willing to tell a child when they aren't doing something right. Yesterday, Maya was spilling water outside of the pool, and a lady who is living where we're staying, she said to her, babes, you have to keep the water inside the pool, and that really warmed my heart. I know some of you might be sensitive when strangers tell you kids things, but for me, as long as they're telling my children the right things, I am more than happy to hear it, to be empowered by it, and also let my kids know that they must listen and respect their elders, something that I find quite missing in other countries like the UK. And the third thing is that although I have not decided yet whether I'll be sending my kids to formal school or homeschooling, the fact is that I believe Jamaican education is better in those early years compared to the UK. I did my A-levels in England, and I was there for like 6 months when I was about 13, and high school just wasn't challenging because I had been so well equipped, having been educated in Jamaica. There are lots of other things of why I want to move, but those 3 things right now are the top of my list, and I just don't think that you can get the vibe, the energy that you get when you live here. There's loads of other reasons why I want to live here, by the way, but those are specifically for my kids.
So guys, hope you have watched, you have listened. This is a different reaction from different people from all over the country, all over the world, that they have been visited there. So tourism has become a major thing in Jamaica. And remember, when a country that has a tourism attraction, the country, it is growing both economically and internationally. So Jamaica has just become one of the best tourist sites to visit. So people are enjoying life there. Remember, people are sharing their different reaction and different experience there. So being there, people are being there not accidentally but knowingly. Remember, someone has it that I can change my citizenship to the Jamaican citizenship. So we had some different reaction to people that sharing their thoughts that Jamaica is just a place to be. You can just raise there your kids. Remember, we had some criticisms that says that Jamaica is insecure, but the people in there, or the people who has been there, they say that if it is not necessary for you to go to go outside, you just have to strictly remain on the tourist sites, and if possible, hire your personal driver. Yeah, that is advisable, and that's security wise. Yeah, so because you go to a place due to the security and the survivability of yourself. Yeah, that's something that is that's something advisable, that's good. eh? And another thing is that when it comes to schooling, yeah, schooling, remember the people need your kids need a bright future. Where is the bright future start? Their future is being made in the school, and the schooling in Jamaica, it's on another level. Remember, there's that ruling that it used to be said that a kid is that has is being belong to the society, or a kid is a society property. What does this mean? When a kid does wrong, the kid is being rectified not by his own parents, but the surrounding will have to rectify the kid. And that's what's going on in Jamaica. They tell your kid you are doing wrong. For instance, when the kid is throwing stones on the road, they tell the kid you are doing wrong. This is not supposed to be done this way. You're not supposed to be throwing stones. Yeah, you see, there's this civil education that no one gets it in the school, but you get it in the society, like the one I've just talked about. Yeah, remember, Jamaica has just been making headlines all over the world. Yeah, they say everyone is just saying for you to even the girls have just become famously, and they just saying that if you want to take me on the first date, take me to Jamaica. Jamaica is the place to be. Yeah. So it gives their boyfriend hard time that they thinks of Jamaica. They see that Jamaica is it is just on something else, or what is this special that is in Jamaica. Yeah, I just have to let you know that yeah, Jamaica has its own special being in it, because we have seen different people, we have seen different cultures, and we have seen a lot of people, and the world has praises to Jamaica. So Jamaica people, what is it that you are giving people that it is trending? You are being trending of late. You remember, on my channel, I only like bringing about Jamaica because Jamaica has become one of my family. So my brothers and sisters in the Caribbean. So I'll just I'll just like to urge you that continue with that one love. Remember, the love, the first rule from God was we should love each other. So I've said not once that when it comes to the to the tourists, everything is just good. Remember, Jamaica being on highland, when you go there, you enjoy the sun, yeah, the shining sun very early in the morning. You enjoy it, and when it comes to the midday, you enjoy the just middle wind, the wind that blows you. Your mind is fully relaxed, and you are there. You are there enjoying your holiday. Another thing is that you can't stop the music. The good music there, whenever you go, you find the music. The live performance there is absolutely good. Another thing, someone shared and said that when I passed on the streets and I found an egg seller. An egg seller, he says that I'm selling these eggs, and you tell him I don't have any cash. He or she tells you that, will you pay? When will you pay? So they have that trust in each other in such a way that they can lend you so that you can pay on another day. That's something that doesn't happen in any. It is not easily for you to find a person who trusts you with his assets, and yet he needs money. Remember, money moves mountain. So the hospitality in Jamaica, it's on another level. Remember, I told you, if you hate Jamaica, this one is not for you. So my brothers and sisters in the Caribbean, I'll just have to give you a big bravo and a big shout out. Continue being there. And without forgetting, I'm your own. Remember to support me. Let's keep on interacting in this channel. Remember to comment, share, and like, and not forgetting kindly to subscribe. That's all for now. Thanks for your time. God bless you. Till next time. One love. Wagwan.